Enter here. So I'm going to be going over the trade that I took yesterday uh, and what I learned from it, and actually just give you guys an update on this trade. So I didn't actually lose this trade because, as you can see, I actually enabled these execution rules so you can see where I bought and sold. So here I entered the trade, but then right after I closed it, I break even because I realized something was definitely wrong. I usually don't have 1 to 5 restore trades to 1 take profit, so I definitely knew something was up. I'm not gonna go over in detail, but I did follow all my rules. The only rules that I was missing that I just added is closing the trust in time. I definitely am spending way too long on the charts. Like today's been like 5 hours monitoring the markets, and I didn't get it set up today. So I put a hard stop at around see 10:30. Yeah, so at 10:30 I'm gonna close trust just because the market is going to slow down. There's almost no reason to look for any other trades to take because I only trade. And then also if I were to lose, I'll just stop for the to avoid any emotional mistakes or just there probably won't be any setups after that. Yeah, even though I didn't lose or win Monday, I think it's really good to still go over the trade setup because it can still teach you what you can do better next time. What the market did. Because I just like predicting where price wants to go. Like I'm not thinking about the money. Well, this is their money waste, but anyways, I'm gonna go over why this trade did hit take profit and reversed, and on Nasdaq we took out this so it would hit technically take profit. But the setup was like 1 p.m., which is where market closes. But on ES it was like super late, like 11. That's why I made this one. Anyways, this was because of S&T divergence. This is a really good example of why it's super important to use an S&T divergence before trading because this can happen. So you have to notice which index is the most uh, is the strongest in the direction that you want, in the direction of your bias. So there wasn't like the 4-hour S&T divergence price did the same thing. It took both of them took both Nasdaq and the ES took this high out, but there was a I could call it the reverse S&T divergence basically on the daily. We had this S&T divergence, this low down to this low and this low to this low. It's not the most recent low, but it's still showing that basically Nasdaq is just likely to, it's just weaker to the main. It's just more bearish because we were able to push below this, but we didn't. Yes. So I definitely could have noticed that and kept that in mind when I traded. Anyways, I was looking for shorts because we were bearish both the indexes on the daily time frame. We have this daily gap. As we inverse it, I'm still going to be looking for shorts. Maybe tomorrow. I can get it set up. I wanted to take shorts all the way to the slump. I didn't get a setup for that. Looks like the market's going without me, but it's fine because there are always opportunities in the market. So yeah, I definitely sort of follow the markets. It looks like an emotional entry, but emotional exit, but it really wasn't because uh, I didn't have any rules which basically close the charts. And I also didn't notice there was that essential divergence. I took it on ES instead of NASDAQ just because, I mean, from this high to this high, ES almost made an S&P divergence, but NASDAQ was clearly bullish. So I thought that this was going to take this low out first. That didn't happen. So I definitely could have tried to look for another S&P divergence on a high time frame if I didn't see it the usual 4 hour. Hopefully we don't take this somehow. We definitely might. If we do, I'm probably not gonna trade for the rest of the week. But if we just like did nothing during Asia session and we had this low, I'm definitely gonna take shorts tomorrow, maybe on Friday. If Friday I usually don't trade, but I'll also forms bullish, but I'm still bearish on the daily, which is my bias is going to be shorts. Shorts only. And I'm not gonna take any yeah, I'm gonna end the video here. Yeah, see you guys next time. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments.